So everything that we did for our Thanksgiving tablescape was based around my mom's wedding china, which is this really beautiful china. It has this beautiful blue pattern. It's got gold rims. So everything that we did was based on that. Adding either another tablecloth that you folded up or even a table runner like this one helps you to hide some things, like if you're gonna add some height. So from here, I can hide bowls underneath or something like that in order to help build up a bigger centerpiece. So I took 2 strands of eucalyptus here and I twisted them together at the top, and then I'm just kind of crisscrossing them as I go. You want them the full length of your table. I've made 3 different kind of sections. We'll see. That's kind of how I'm envisioning it right now, as a section here, here, and here. I have to cut off some of those pieces to use, just fill in later. And then I took a lot of greenery and just kind of filled it in, took some of these little picks, filled in some blanks, really tried to cover up that white runner in the middle just so that it doesn't stand out quite as much, but really just fill it with love.